think my pineapple is ready to be picked. Looks nice and yellow, orangish color. This is the plant that in one of my previous videos, this was the top of the pineapple that I grew, my last pineapple that I grew to ripeness. And that was in August of 2016, so that's took 21 months for me to get this ripe pineapple. So this was the top of that pineapple, and if you saw that video, I had something called suckers that we took off of there. And this pineapple here is coming off of one of those suckers. The pineapple plant that I started with the slip, that's sitting outside right now. That's not doing very good at all. It's just staying small and no pineapple showing up on it. So today we're going to cut this pineapple off, and I'm going to clean it up and hope that it's totally ripe. I think it is. I'm going to find out. This cutter I got is big enough. Oh yeah, no problem. There it is. Not too bad, I'd say. Not real huge, of course, but for Wisconsin growing pineapple. It's never going to be a cash crop here, that's for sure. It takes 18 months to 2 years to grow one. So I'm going to go clean that up and we'll see what we got. Oh, here it is. Got it in the kitchen. Cut it up, see what's happening. I think I'll save that top. Maybe I'll start another one. I'm not sure. It takes so darn long to get a ripe one, but it's kind of fun once you get one. Set that aside. Cut the bottom off a little bit. Oh yeah, it looks pretty ripe there. Try not to waste too much of it. Oh yeah, it's cutting through really nice. This is probably kind of boring watching me do this, but get this off quick and I'll taste it for you and let you know. Okay, that's enough of that. Get that off of there. Oops. Oh, at least that knife goes through there. Looks pretty good to me. That is good. See the juice is on, juice running out of there. It's not overripe, not underripe. I think it's just about right. So that's my pineapple this year. I think that plant, maybe the plant that I cut this off of, I'll leave that grow for a while, because you can get new pineapples coming up off of that. Not where I cut this one, but what it'll do is send up new shoots and take another 18 months to 2 years to get one, but we'll see on that. There you go. Wisconsin pineapple.